Hey Alice, how are you today?
I'm great, David. How about you?
I'm doing well. It's a nice day and I'm excited for today's lesson.
Me too. Today we're going to talk about how to order food in English.
That's right. Ordering food is something we all do, right? So it's really important to know how to do it in English.
Exactly. Whether you're at a restaurant, a cafe, or even ordering delivery, it's always useful to know the right words. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free and it helps us a lot.
Thanks for that, Alice. Okay, let's get into it. All right, Alice. When you walk into a restaurant, the first thing you usually do is...
Well, first, I find my seat and wait for the waiter or waitress to come over.
That's right. So when the waiter comes to your table, you might hear something like, "Hello, how are you today?" Or, "Can I take your order?"
Exactly. And when they ask you, can I take your order, you can respond with, yes, I'd like, or I'll have. For example, I could say, I'll have a burger and fries.
Perfect. Let's try it. I'll be the waiter and you be the customer. I'll say, "Hi, can I take your order?" And you reply,
Sure.
"Hi, can I take your order?"
Yes, I'll have a burger and fries, please.
Great. That's a perfect response. You can add please at the end to sound more polite.
It's always nice to say please when you're ordering. It's friendly.
Exactly. Now, sometimes the waiter might ask you, "Would you like anything to drink?"
Oh, yes, that's a common question. You could say, I'll have water, please, or I'd like a cola.
That's right. It's really simple. Now, let's try it. I'll ask, "Would you like anything to drink?" And you respond,
Got it.
"Would you like anything to drink?"
I'll have water, please.
Perfect. And remember, if you're not sure what to drink, you can always ask, "What do you recommend?" It's a great way to get suggestions.
That's a good tip, David. If you're trying something new, asking for recommendations is a great way to learn more about the menu.
Now, after you've ordered your food and drink, the waiter will probably say, "Your food will be ready soon," or "Enjoy your meal."
That's a nice thing to hear. After the meal, the waiter might come back to ask, how was your meal?
Yes, exactly. If you enjoyed the food, you can say, "It was delicious, thank you," or "I really liked it."
And if there's something wrong, you can say, I didn't like this, or this isn't what I ordered.
That's important. Always be polite, but it's okay to speak up if there's a mistake. Now, after your meal, it's time to pay.
Right. You can say, could I have the check, please? Or can I pay now?
Exactly. And if you want to pay with a card, you can say, "Can I pay by card?" Or, "Do you accept credit cards?"
And if you're paying with cash, you can say, I'll pay with cash.
Perfect. So now we've learned how to order food, drink, and even pay at a restaurant. Let's practice a little more with some quick questions. Alice, what would you say if the waiter asks, "What would you like to eat?"
I would say, I'll have a pizza and a salad, please.
Great. And what if the waiter asks you, "Would you like a dessert?"
I would say, yes, I'd like a chocolate cake, please.
Nice. So, practice makes perfect. Keep using these phrases when you're at a restaurant, and soon you'll be a pro at ordering food in English.
Exactly. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
I'd love to hear your answers. Thanks for watching today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video for more practice, and we'll see you next time.
Take care and enjoy your meal.